Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we are discussing about the quick revision of the subject MOB. Okay, so previously I have already uploaded the explanation videos of this subject. So before watching this video, please do watch the explanation videos. Okay, why? Because in this video we are doing a quick revision only. In detail we are not discussing the topics. So if you are not started your preparation, better you watch explanation videos and later on watch this quick revision videos. For last minute revision, this video will be helpful to you all. Okay, so basically management and organizational behavior is consisting of 60 marks question paper, right? 2.5 hours is your time. So from unit number 1, the first introduction unit, what we have learned in unit number 1. So in unit number 1, basically we have learned about the management, how management works, how it is important, what are the nature of it, what is the different theory we are having over here. Everything we have learned from unit number 1. So from management, according to different authors, management has been defined. Okay, so out of these two definitions, according to William it is important, or else according to Joseph you can take any one definition of management which is very important. Okay, because for 2 marks or for long answers definitely they will ask about the management. Definitely you need to write about the definition, no? So that's why this is important. Why management is important, and why management is important: to take appropriate decisions, for planning, for everything. This management will be helpful for you all to enhance our profits. So for this purpose this management is important. So dani kosam ani cheppesi ee management anedi organizational important. So management will works on every department in a business or an organization. It is a multidisciplinary, because management is not a particular subject. It includes mathematics, it includes economics, it includes socials, it includes history. Everything combinedly we can use it. That's why we can call it as a management is a multidisciplinary. Okay, so this is the different things we have learned. What is the process? Planning is a process. Organizing, first we will plan the management, we will organize everything, we will accurate it, we will control everything, so whatever activities we are having in the business. Okay, why this management will be helpful means it will have stability to survive in the organizations. Coordination untadi, control untadi, coordination between employees untadi, conflict raakunda chustadi. We can take the accurate decisions by following this. So different terms, different things are there from unit number 1 which we are going to learn. Okay, and next one you are going to learn this 3D diagram also. This is also important. Okay, according to William Ridden, he is defined as the effectiveness eppudu work out autadi when task and relationship will have in a correct position, then that effectiveness will always be increases. So this is also important one we have learned from unit number 1. So try to make out the diagrams whatever you are having in your unit number 1, and Hawthorne experiment is also important. Okay, so Henry Fayol 14 principles we have already know. Just make a quick revise by while reading this, but especially from unit number 1 to management gurinchi నేర్చుకోండి. Okay, and coming back to the unit number 2 ma, in unit number 2, organizational design, organizational structure and decision making. Especially decision making we have learned. So what is decision making? We are having two models of decision making, open and closed. So open ante enti, closed ante enti, asal why this decision making is important? To take an appropriate decision in the correct situation, right time lo right decision తీసుకోవడం అనేది is a crucial thing for every organization. What is this organizational structure? Organizational structure is nothing but relationships, whatever we are having, procedures whatever we are having, whatever the controlling techniques we are having, whatever the decisions we are taking, decision making process, everything will be included in organizational structure, right? So try to represent your points in a flow charts, everything. Just now in the previous videos also I have already explained it, right? Decision making is important. Why? What is డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఒక ప్రాబ్లమ్ని ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సాల్వ్ ఎ ప్రాబ్లమ్, ఫర్ దాట్ వీ కెన్ టేక్ సమ్ డెసిషన్స్ based on some data, based on some hypothetical prediction. We will take some decisions, right? That is very much important. ఓకే, వై దిస్ డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటే రిస్క్ రాకుండా చూసుకుంటుంది, యాక్యురేట్ డెసిషన్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చు మనము, కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ రాకుండా చూసుకుంటుంది. సో ఇట్ విల్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ది బెటర్ కోఆర్డినేషన్ బిట్వీన్ ద ఎంప్లాయీస్. సో దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్స్ ఓన్లీ యూ నీడ్ టు రైట్ ఇట్ ఓవర్ హియర్. ఓకే, ఓపెన్ డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ అండ్ క్లోజ్డ్ డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ అని ఉంటుంది. ఓపెన్ డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఎప్పుడైతే మేనేజర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అవేర్ అబౌట్ ది సిచ్యువేషన్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఓపెన్. Closed is nothing but if the manager is having very much knowledge about that particular situation, means the decision is closed. Management will to pakka he will take it, no. So that is the open and closed decisions. So this is the thing you need to learn from the unit number 2, especially decision making. Okay, unit number 3, perception, we have learned very much important. Okay, perception is nothing but it is a process, ma. It will organize, it will interpret, it will check, it will react, it will check out all the things related to the data. డేటాకి సంబంధించిన ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో ఇట్ విల్ చెక్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పర్సెప్షన్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ పర్సెప్షన్ యు ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఫర్ ద లాంగ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, ఏంటి పర్సెప్షన్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ వీ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఇన్పుట్స్. ఓకే, ఇన్పుట్స్, personal mechanism, outputs. When you will have inputs and when you will do personal mechanism, automatically outputs will be in things anamata. Outputs lo em vastayi? Opinions, your behavior, your beliefs, your reviews, etc. right? Your feelings, etc. So this is the thing we have learned in unit number 3, that is also important. And 5 big model personality traits. And Maslow theory, how the income is important. Try to draw like this pyramid shaped diagrams. Maslow needs hierarchy theory, we can call it as a, so he can describe it as a psychological theory. Safety needs, social needs, esteem needs, self-actualization needs. So different types of needs he was described. You need to write everything clearly and point wise you need to explain it. This is the thing we have learned in unit number 3. In unit number 4, what we have learned about the conflict. And Vroom's theory is also important. So to perform in the perfect leadership, what is the different qualities you are having as a leadership? What are the different qualities a leadership should have? That is the thing we have learned. Conflict is nothing but misunderstandings. Why conflict will have? Because of lack of communication. What are the measures to overcome it? Just communication is important, coordination is important, appropriate decision making is important. This I have learned in unit number 4. And the last unit is emerging aspects of organizational behavior. So how organizational behavior has been changed from several aspects, that is also important. Previously only traditional marketing has been done, traditional things were done. Now the organization has expanded globally. Okay, how we are performing everything. And the stress management is definite important question. What are the different causes we will get due to some personal problems, conflicts, lack of communication, lack of social support. If you are having stress, will getting behavioral effects. Every behavior will be different from person to person, right? So and to overcome the process of stress, what are the things you need to perform? This we have learned from unit number 5. So this is the unit number 5, and whatever the things we have discussed, this is important. I hope that you have got a last minute revision. If you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the very best for your examination. See you all in next video. Bye bye everyone.